I've had this old metal hand truck Dolly for years, and it had the air up type pneumatic tires on it, and they've been sitting there. I don't use them very often. They'll go flat. The tires start cracking. They're just junk. I ended up taking those things off and ordering me some solids, because now you can buy solid, no flat tires for about the same price you would buy the cheap pneumatic air up tires. And the no flats hold more weight. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on. We're going to see what they look like on this Dolly. So these are the flat free, solid, non-pneumatic, no airs needed hand truck wheels and tires that I got off of Amazon. These things have gotten really cheap. These used to be pretty expensive. Now it's not even worth pulling out the air compressor and air up your tires. Just get rid of them and go get you some nice flat free solids like this. Like I said, these even hold more weight. I think it was 50 pounds more for each one of these weight capacity wise than the air up ones that I was looking at. They came to me in just this plastic bag. Take that off, you get the wheels. It actually has bearings in it, and you got some washers and a cotter pin. Everything I need to put them on. That's what I'm going to do now. And there they are, installed. Fit perfect, look perfect, roll perfect. I mean, I never have to go get the air compressor and air these stupid tires up now. I'll just have solid tires on here. I think I'm going to go through my garage and my shop, and if I have an air up tire like this, it is gone. Real simple process to change them. I definitely recommend do it. And now I got my Dolly back. I'll put a link down to these wheels and tires in the description. Like I said, they're super cheap now. No reason not to switch them out. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.